What you saying, people? Back with a bang. This is the money management. I hope you guys are all hanging in there. You guys are surviving. Don't worry, this quarantine is going to pass over. I know it's felt like a long time now and you're probably getting fed up and sick and tired of it. But don't worry, hang in there. Like I said, this quarantine will end, the pandemic will pass over, and we'll get back to normal life soon. So right now, you guys are probably at home, sitting in a position where you're like, hey, I'm not spending as much money as I usually am. My expenses are not as high as they usually are. I'm not spending money each and every day. I'm not wasting money. I kind of feel good financially. Now, the thing is, eventually we're going to get back to normal life. Do you want your money to be leaving your pocket straight like that again? I doubt it. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about how to take care of your money. The reason being, we're all in quarantine. Like I said, we're saving money. Probably most of us saving money if you're not online shopping. But most of us saving money, our pockets are getting fatter. If you're working from home, you're getting income. If you're not working at all, well, at least you're not losing money. The good thing is, we can live life like this, on a day-to-day basis after quarantine as well. So once this pandemic passes over, these bits of information can be extremely valuable to you if they're not already. So the first way I want to tell you guys to do, pay yourself first. For those of you who get an income, those of you who get a paycheck, those of you who get any kind of money, whether that's from a side hustle, a business, whatever it may be, that money that you get, pay yourself first. It needs to go to you first, before anyone else. I've said this in multiple different videos. I've said this multiple times. Pay yourself first. I don't care how you earn your money, you need to pay yourself first. You may have expenses, you may have stuff you want to buy, you may have wants. That all doesn't matter. It is about you. You are one person and that money should go to you first. So whoever you are, whatever you do, when you get paid, pay yourself first. That is the first step to taking care of your money. It is important to take care of your money because your money is going to end up taking care of you. At the end of the day, money fuels everything. Money is, behind a lot of things that go on. Trust me, without money, you wouldn't be able to watch this YouTube video. Without money, you wouldn't be able to, probably sit there wearing those clothes. Money is the foundation of so many different things. So when it comes to money and taking care of money, you need to pay yourself first. So the second thing I'll tell you guys to do, spend enough of your money on your needs before you take care of your wants. So a lot of people have this in the wrong order. They get paid, or if they already have money, they go and, buy something that they don't need. They go and buy something that they want. They go and online shop. They go to, restaurants. They go out with their friends to party. Guess what? That is not what you need. That is what you want. You have your basic needs. Housing, food, transportation, I guess clothes as well. You guys got to realize that, those kind of things you can buy. Those kind of things you can pay for, but not going over the top. But most importantly, those kind of things you pay for before you buy the extras, before you buy your, fast foods, before you buy your trips to fancy restaurants, your fancy dates, whatever it may be. You guys need to understand, you need to use your money to buy what you need first and then what you want. Do not buy what you want first and then what you need. Why is that? Because that's not the way to take care of your money. When it comes to taking care of your money, you want to thrive financially. You want to become, richer, you want to become more financially aware. Well, the first step to doing that, as I said, is paying yourself. The second way to do that is by spending on purely your needs. You got money left over, you can buy your wants. If you got money left over, I'll tell you not even to buy those wants, but to invest, to save, whatever it may be. But I'm telling you, if you do want to really get those wants, first learn to pay for your needs. The moment you learn to limit your spending on your wants, the moment you're going to realize you're in a much better financial situation. You'll be in a better position financially throughout quarantine and after quarantine when you limit your spending on your wants and focus solely on your needs. The more you can limit your wants, the more you're going to have money in your pockets, the more you can take care of your money in the right way. So focus on doing that before you do anything else. The third thing you need to do when it comes to taking care of your money, invest your money into your side hustle. Whatever money you get, you're going to pay yourself first. You're going to spend it on your needs, your expenses that you need to keep you flowing, to keep you alive. After that, you can start investing your money into a side hustle. What kind of side hustles? Well, I've made plenty of videos on this before. It can be wholesaling real estate, it can be flipping items, it can be writing an ebook, it can be graphic design. There are so many different side hustles you can do in this world. There are literally hundreds of thousands you can do. So many different things. Go and check out, other videos I've made on what kind of side hustles you can do and start investing your money in that. You're going to realize when you can learn to take your money and pay yourself first, you can learn to limit your wants, you can learn to start investing in your side hustle. That money that you get from your paycheck or your 9 to 5 or whatever it may be, and you start investing in your side hustle, it's going to come back, it's going to start fueling your side hustle, and your side hustle eventually, if you do well enough, will take over your main source of income. So use your money, take care of your money, take care of yourself by investing in a side hustle. The fourth thing I'll tell you guys to do, grow your hustle, into your main business and then reinvest those profits. So everyone has different businesses. I have mine, again, a smartwatch company, as you guys know. Let's say I get, profits from that because I've, invested my main income into that. I get profits. What do I do now? I can go and buy nice things, or I can put it back into it. Spend more on ads, spend more on inventory, spend more on, different kind of things. A lot of people make the mistake that they get their money from their main hustle, they get their money from whatever it may be, and they start wasting it because it's going towards nice things, it's going towards liabilities, not going towards refueling their business. You get money from something, get that money back and spend it on the same thing again. That is a way to start fueling your side hustle. That is a way to start fueling your business. Not by getting all your profits from your business and using it to, blow it off somewhere else. That's not the way you're going to succeed. If you want to take care of your money, learn to get money from somewhere and reinvest that money to make more. So the fifth and final way to take care of your money is get that money, get a surplus of money, and start investing it into cash flowing assets. What kind of cash flowing assets am I talking about? It can be real estate properties. It can be ATMs. There are so many different things it can be. This is where you start to see your passive incomes, let's say. Cash flowing assets, cash generating assets, stuff that's going to bring you back money without you, constantly managing it, constantly, hustling for it. So it won't have to be like a side hustle anymore. It won't have to be like a, an actual job that you work anymore. It won't have to be those kind of things. You get your cash flowing assets, bring you back money. You're taking care of your money. At the same time, your money is taking care of you. Those cash flowing assets are what, separates some from others. The money makers from the money spenders. The producers to the consumers. Those cash flowing assets, those cash generating assets are going to make a world of difference because eventually in the long run, you can sit back and watch the money flow in. You don't have to be constantly at work, constantly putting in effort. Your money will be working for you and you'll be taking care of your money. So thanks a lot for watching today's video, guys. Make sure many more people see this. That means giving it a like, commenting, subscribing, and most importantly, sharing with your friends. We all want to take care of our money. We all want our money to take care of us. And if we're doing it now, good. If you're not doing it yet, you need to start. Eventually, like I said, this whole pandemic will pass over. By then, are you going to be taking care of your money? Will you put yourself in the right financial situation so you can succeed going forward? It is up to you. No one else can decide that but you. So use those 5 steps I've given you today, benefit from them, and make yourself become more financially aware, more financially free, closer to financial freedom, and most importantly, more in control of your time. But again, that's it for this video, guys. Thanks a lot for watching. I've been money management, and I've got money to be making. You got money to be taken care of. See you guys tomorrow for another video. Peace.